Viv, are these special?
Indeed they are. You can feel it. These are mostly Isis crystals, and an Isis crystal is a crystal with a 5-sided face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you want it to be exactly balanced in the center of the stone, just like this one is, and most of these qualify in that regard. And they are rare. I got these at a place called Art Crystals. They put out a whole lot of C-grade quartz on the tables. It takes quite a good few hours to sort through their material.
Wow, these are a nice bright blue.
Yeah, these are the Azurite Suns from Australia, and I'm particularly pleased with them for putting on the third eye. I find it's a good way to begin the session is if I place this nice big sized Azurite Sun on the third eye. And it helps the brain to start relaxing. It has like a diffusing effect of intensity. It diffuses the intensity in the brain. Do you know what it is?
Cachalong?
Yeah, you're right. It's Cachalong. And it is very dirty and messy looking at the moment. And what we do is we cut it into slices like this. And then we put that under people's heels, and it reflects this extreme white into the energy system. Very cleansing. It gives a cleansing blast all through the system. It's what's called common opal. It's a form of common opal, and common opal is something that acts as a sponge and sucks toxicity out of the system. Then when we were at Jewel Tunnel, we found this kind of common opal, and so we got some of this to test as well. Each stone, each mineral is going to have a slightly different composition, and therefore it's going to have a slightly different action. So I'm very keen to see how this works. It's got a very nice spongy feel. And the important thing to remember is not to polish a common opal, because then it will not have that porous energy that sucks the toxicity in. I got a decent supply of these chlorite in Himalayan Quartz pricking wands. I was delighted. I'd been buying them by the piece, and that is an exorbitant way to go, and so now I have a healthy supply.
These really are fantastic.
Aren't they? These are what we got from Ricardo. We were amazed, absolutely amazed. It's the hematite and the way that it's organized. He has it on the invoice as amethyst with cacoxenite, but of course that red stuff is hematite. And it's like windows. It's absolutely amazing. Love this material. We use hematite to suck up toxic matter out of the energy system. And I'm looking forward to experimenting with these and seeing how they work. So we picked up a few more geodes. Of course, we use these for dipping our crystals as we're working to clear them of any energy that could be collecting on them. And people say, why do you do that? And it's the same as cleaning your knife. If you put your knife in the jam, then you don't want to put it in the butter. And if you put the knife in the butter, you don't want to put it.
And what do you call this?
This is convoluted sheet quartz with diopside. This green material is diopside, and what's special about the convoluted sheet quartz is it makes this groove like this, and that pulls out relationship cords.
Wow.
This removes relationship cords like nothing else. And I have been looking for this material for 15 years and found it in Tucson now at the Gem Show. I was elated. And it's not even expensive, which is great. When a tool can be affordable, that's my best. What's special about these obelisks? Now, the shape of the obelisk is important in the anti-inflammatory technique for acute inflammation. An obelisk is a very good tool because you can pour the green light. You can pour that kind of green light into the inflammation. And of course, inflammation is red, and green will antidote red. And so you're looking to pour the green light in and antidote the redness of the inflammation. Very healing.
Wow. These are amazing.
Emerald slabs. People relax beyond their usual relaxation point. Absolutely fabulous. Yeah, and we got more rose quartz slabs. Absolutely gorgeous and fantastic.
They shimmer.
They do shimmer, and it's so easy to use as chakra stones.
Are these the same as this orange calcite?
Actually, this is orange calcite, and this is orange honeycomb calcite. You can see the honeycomb structure very clearly in this particular one, and this material is a bestseller. It's because of its effect. Just looking at it is gorgeous, and we use the orange calcite in this form for emotional rebalancing, and it just works so beautifully. And multiple people have told me that after they've given a friend or a sibling or another kind of relative a gift of these orange hearts, the person has become interested in crystals and crystal healing.
And these?
Well, this is an aqua aura sphere that I've had for a while, and I'm not exactly sure how to get more of them. So I'm testing these aqua aura tumbled quartz pieces to see if they will deliver the same effect as the sphere does, and so far so good. And what the effect is it actually gets the energy body to relax, which is a profound effect. It's very, very soothing for people.